Alright guys, so hey, there's my shovel. This is my shovel. This ain't no top dollar shovel, but it does the job. The only bad part about this shovel is this plastic handle, which is just a joke when it gets hot, when the weather's hot. But it does the job. At this point in time, you know, it does what it's supposed to do. Okay, so as I was saying before I ran out of memory on the camera, I was trying to store this stuff up on the roof. Okay, so I got the tail umbrella, and I've got my easy up down here. I was going to put that on the roof. May not need it, you know, so put it up top, out of the way, so you know, most of the time we'll probably just be driving. This is just a weekend trip, so we got like 138 miles to do off-road, and then a few hour drive home, so it's a few hours drive to get there. So but you know, I think this will work. It fits perfect between the side walls of the bed here. Locks everything in. I had this little gap, see, between the ice chest, the cooler here, and the door. So that stupid neighbors. So this will tighten everything up so nothing's floating around back here. All I got in here is a sleeping bag, and then I got another sleeping bag on the bottom. Hopefully nothing leaks. I've had that happen before. If something leaks, then you got a wet sleeping bag. I've only got 5 gallons of water in the jug. I got 2 5-gallon jugs, but I only filled one. That might be all I need. I mean, I usually use that just for washing, you know. Quick shower out in the wilderness, little air dry out in the sun, you know. That's all that's for. Then I got drinking water. I got a case of drinking water back here. That's a spare, and I got another case inside the cab. So I think this will work, you know. Bugs bothering you, and we flip this one off, and we'll flip that on. There you go. That'll keep the mozzies away, right? So I've been working on this all day. I had to tighten up my my electrical in here, all those wires and everything. I wanted to secure everything the best I could with, you don't want things flopping around. Oh, wrong one, so I'd say that one. Let's go that one. Yeah, there we go. So, yeah, so, you know, I put a little, strap everything down. I had to put a fuse on this thing. For this thing to work, it needs a ground fuse to ground. And I had to test everything. I don't want to burn my truck up. When I tie both batteries together, the front battery and the rear battery, everything better work, please. I'm missing the cover for this only because I had to reconfigure it for this wire the way I got it at a 90 degree, but it should be okay way up there. Should be. Yeah, I had to test my voltages on everything, and I need to change these fuses out there. I gotta stop somewhere and get some real fuses, not these Chinese fuses. Get some bus fuses. And yeah, I want to just put soft stuff in here. I don't want anything hard bouncing around with all this electrical stuff, so I just got my straps, first aid kit, poncho in case it rains some more. You know, I got that. Straps here, it should be okay. Don't gotta worry about that doing anything. So far everything works. Yeah, so wish me luck, right? 12:02. Running a little late here, but I wanted to wash the truck because it's nice driving in a nice clean truck, you know, some nice clean clothes, teeth nice and clean, loaded up. So as you can see, I'm not carrying Max Tracks. or a high-lift jack, or an axe. I do have a shovel, and I do have a bottle jack. I do have an axe, but I'm not bringing that with me. I'm going to be chopping no trees down. Basic tools, water, extra food. I have a winch, but it's not hooked up. I'm going in a group, so typically you can rely on somebody to give you a tug if you have any issues, if you get stuck. And typically there's no trees to pull off of out there in the desert anyway, so just have to wait for somebody to come along. Packed extra shoes, my hiking boots, flip-flops, but typically I probably won't even wear nothing but flip-flops. That's another thing I don't have in here. No WeatherTech mats. I like my carpeting. Yeah, I'm gonna drive barefoot all the way over there. Basically, I'm trying to keep things basic, just the necessities to hit the trail. So that's it. We'll see you Monday.